Okay, so it's a new day. It's actually been quite a while since I last picked up my vlog camera. I got my nails done and I went shorter because I don't know. I just was tired of the long nails. So we're starting over, starting from stubbies. But they're cute. They're springy. I got like a cute little spring color, and yeah, that's the vibe for right now. But the only thing is, like, every time I do something, like if I like hit my hand on like the door or like do something weird, I keep forgetting that I have short nails. So I'm like, oh my god, I broke the nail, but I didn't because they're short. So yeah, loving the short nails for right now. Yeah, so we're just gonna open a few packages. So let's do that. Orange. Whoops. Okay. How cute. A body scrub. I need that. This is a resurfacing body scrub. Scrub buffs away dry, rough, and bumpy patches to reveal polished, radiant, ready to go skin without leaving the skin feeling dry, tight, or stripped. We love this. I'm definitely going to use this on the body. So that's cute. And then next I have some things from Urban Outfitters. So I guess I'll do like a try on in this video while we're at it. But I'm just going to open them all up first. So the first thing I have is a pair of pants. So yeah, I have these like wide leg pants. I have to figure out how to open them. That would be nice. Okay, these ship shipped separate from all the other items I had. So these are high and wide. And I don't have any pants this like tan color, so I thought I would get this color. And then I'm normally a 24, but we're not a 24 right now. So I went up in these ones to a 25 because I did read the reviews. So some of the jeans that I got my regular size 24, and then these I got a 25. So they look kind of short. We'll see. But these, cute. And then the rest of the stuff is in this box. So we're gonna open this. So yeah, I'm just gonna try everything on as I show y'all. Okay. And everything is wrapped in plastic, so next I have this orange button-up shirt. Oh man, I thought this was gonna be longer. It's pretty short. I got an extra small, and it's this pretty orange. It's like a bunch of oranges actually. It's got lots of dimension to it. I just thought this would be really cute, like in the summertime. We're not even at spring yet. I mean, I just think this would be really nice to wear on a nice sunny day. So I got this top. Really cute, and it's really lightweight and flowy, like soft cottony linen. So yeah, we got this in a extra small. And then with that top, I wanted to wear it open, so I got this little bralette, so like I could wear it underneath it. So this little ribbed bralette, I thought it would be cute to like have some buttons open with this top underneath it. Yes, I don't know, we'll see. Next, I have another pair of jeans. So I got these ones in a 24, and these are the cowboy jeans. These are really cute. This wash is really cute. What's the wash? Light denim? I think this is light denim, but these are really cute. Just look like this. They have distressing at the bottom. Really cute jeans. I have another pair of jeans. These are in the 24 as well. And these are high-rise baggy jeans. Yeah, so they look like this. They have a humongous rip at the knee, and then it has like a slit underneath your butt cheek. I thought that was a little risque. So yeah, I got these in a 24. So we'll see. They are baggy, so I don't know how they're gonna fit. But I just want to try like different styles of jeans because I always go for like the same. And yeah. And then I have this tunic in the color ivory, but it's giving like cream. So it just looks like this. It's really soft. Yeah, so I actually got this tunic to wear with these shorts that are ivory as well, but they're not the same color ivory. Now, these are more ivory. Like these are white. That is like cream. But they're just little like little boy shorts, I guess. But I wanted to wear it together because it's got like this like raw hem, and the shorts have like this like raw hemmed as well. So I thought it'd be cute together, but the colors are a little different, but we'll see. We'll see. And then next I have this pink top here. So I got this in a extra small. And there's this bright pink. Ooh, this is pretty. It's a bright pink, and it's see-through because it's like netted. So this is really, really cute. And then I got the shorts to go with the top as well. So these are the shorts. The shorts look kind of big in the waist, but I'm sure they'll fit. So yeah, I got the shorts to go with the top, and the shorts have pockets. Yes, urban. And then the last thing I got is a jacket, and it's this pink corduroy jacket. I think it's like a crop jacket. And I got this jacket in an extra small because some of the reviews said that it ran kind of big. So I got in an extra small. I guess we'll see what it fits like when I put it on. So yeah, it just looks like this. I lied. This is actually the last item that I have, and it's this distressed subline like t-shirt dress, but not really a dress. This is a small medium, and it's in this nice like muted orange color. Really cute. It's super distressed. It's holes everywhere. So yeah, something really cute to like throw on with like biker shorts and sneakers. Call it a day. So yeah, those are all the items that I got from Urban. I will be sure to link all of them in the description box for you guys. And yeah, what am I about to do? Take a little rest. I need to wash my hair because I have some brain work to do really quickly. Well, not really quickly, because me washing my hair is like a whole process. But yeah, I have to do my hair later, so I need to take this style out, which is something I was just trying. Like, I am so bored with my hair. I really don't know what I want to do with it. I had went through like all the wigs that I had, because I'm like, oh, maybe I'll wear a wig, you know, because I haven't really worn one in a long time. So I am selling some of the ones that I don't think I'll need or use, so I can make way for some new wigs to come through. So I'll list my Big Cartel link if you guys want to check it out, get you a wig or two. But yeah, so it's like I like washed a bunch of wigs, so I can see if I want to wear a wig. And yeah, and my hair is like, you can't even see, it's red. I think I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna go back black because I just want, I don't know what I want, but we're gonna just go jet black, super dark. Like, I've just been Googling like the darkest of the darkest jet black hair dye. So if you have any suggestions, please list them below. I'm gonna do like a whole separate video so I can do like an updated wash and style routine or whatever. I'm gonna try something different with my hair. I've like been obsessed with like fluffy like 90s blowouts, so I'm gonna like attempt to do that. So I'm not going to flat iron my hair. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna attempt to do something a little different because I just been obsessed with like fluffy voluptuous hair. So I want to try that on myself, but your girl got a lot of hair, so I'm kind of scared. But we're gonna try something different, so I want to do a whole separate video for that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.